How to play Minecraft with friends without signing in. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can play Minecraft with your friends without signing in. So first of all, just launch your Minecraft on your smartphone or on your PC, and after that just start Minecraft with your buddies linked, or you can ask any of your friends who are playing Minecraft to send you a link, and you can join the Minecraft by using that particular link to the same Wi-Fi network that your friend is also using. And after that, just go to the friends menu and select friends from the friends menu. Upon clicking on play, you could find the username of your friends by heading to the LAN game website. To begin, simply click on the player's name to bring up their profile. When playing Minecraft multiplayers, you will play with prompted of your Xbox Live credentials. So this is how you will be able to play Minecraft with your friends without signing in. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.